Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's me, Techie Shadow, back with another coding video. So in this coding video, I am going to be teaching you guys how to customize your VS Code, because I'm not going to lie, that can help you get better with coding, that can physically implement you. Now, I didn't know what I just said there, but basically it's like getting your own personalized theme for you, because if you're like me and you don't like the theme that they are like making, or none of the theme on the marketplace is right for you, well, then you can just, create your own theme. But I'm not going to be teaching you guys how to launch it and publish it into a full extension. I'm just going to be teaching you guys how to make it for yourself only. Okay guys, so I have been actually personalizing the my own UI right now. As you can see, it's not fully done. It is actually work in progress. But let's just say you didn't do what I did till now. I'm just going to remove that, save that. Okay. So this is the typical Visual Studio Dark Plus theme, and I use that because I like it to be dark. Well, if you want to change, suppose the color of here, well then you can go to Control Shift P and do open settings. Now please make sure not to open default settings, as that will just have a completely different effect on your code. So yeah, open settings, JSON, and then you actually, this is not going to already be there. You actually have to hand add it, and this is workbench color customizations, workbench.color customizations. Then add these brackets, and now just do that. So over here you can type your code. So if we want that, we will just say activityBar.background red. Oh, not that. Actually, it's sideBar.background.red. Yes. So this makes it red. So suppose we want it to be black. Okay. So now it's completely black. So yeah, you can explore more with it, but I'm just going to simply be making a kind of blackish theme. So we have to cover this sidebar, this bar on top here, and your editor. That's a very simple version of what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, let's do it. And also make sure to add a comma after each of your following lines. And just to make our editor look black, we'll just not red, sorry, black. There's, oh, why can't I edit it? Oh god, it's so hard. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And add a hashtag to make it indicate as a hashtag, like a hash map, I think. Okay, so we have done our editor. Now let's add the statusBar.background, and we will just make it black. Okay, now that's done. We will add a activityBar.background is equal to hashtag 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so also yeah, the top. What do you call that? Top tab. No wait, not tab. Please excuse me, I'm very new at this topic myself, so I'm not the person just to take the best advice from, but this, if you try it out and try to mess it around with yourself, you may create a great looking theme for yourself, and I'm trying to help you adjust to that. Okay, yeah, so I haven't managed to do that, but this is basically like a pretty much overview of what you can do. Now, this right here is my code. It looks like this. I'm still working on it, but if you like this theme and you want it, the links are of course like down in the descriptions. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this to people who may think this is also interesting. Don't forget to wear your mask, wash your hands. Bye, guys!